Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce, my name Karisma Ilham, a student from Yogyakarta State University majoring in Otomotif. Here I will explain a little about the component of the turbocharger and supercharger. Turbocharger. Turbocharger is a centrifugal compressor that gets power from turbines whose power source comes from cycle exhaust pumps, usually used in internal combustion engine to increase engine power output and efficiency by increasing the air pressure entering the engine. The key advantage of a turbocharger is that they offer a considerable increase in engine power by only adding a little weight and not being too wasteful in fuel. How to work and turbocharger component. How it works turbocharger is the exhaust gas produced by the engine will enter the turbocharger to rotate the front turbine so that the air entering from the front of the turbocharger to the turbine will be compressed. The result of the wind produced by the turbocharger is very perfect. Then the wind enters the intake channel and perform the combustion process of the engine. Supercharger. Supercharger is one of the methods of force induction on car engine. Force induction itself is the process of compressing air into the intake of the engine which is then used in combustion of fuel in the combustion chamber. With the crankshaft rotary actuator on the engine so that the compressed air can have a greater oxygen content. With more oxygen, we can increase the amount of fuel, and it is highly likely that you will be wasting fuel because it will require more energy to operate the supercharger. The way the supercharger works is that the wind from the outside will enter through the intake channel and then it will enter the supercharger where the supercharger rotor is driven by the engine speed, which is channeled with a drive belt and pulley, so that perfect air is produced from the supercharger and the air will enter the engine combustion process. Thank you for watching.